Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss how to enable WhatsApp dark mode on your Android phone. WhatsApp is a popular messaging app that allows you to stay in touch with friends and family worldwide. Dark mode offers a darker color scheme that some users prefer for a clutter-free viewing experience, which can reduce eye strain on bright screens and save battery life on OLED devices. We will walk you through steps to turn on dark mode WhatsApp on your Android phone. First, open the WhatsApp app on your Android phone or tablet. Tap the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings from the menu. Look for Chats and tap to access chat settings. Underneath, choose Theme to adjust the appearance style. The theme page provides options for choosing between light, dark, or system default themes. Tap Dark to select the darker theme over light mode. Selecting Dark theme will switch WhatsApp from light to dark automatically for a darker appearance. Messages, menus, media, and all other interface elements will update in real time with a black background and dark text. Consider personal preferences when deciding between light and dark themes on WhatsApp and other messaging platforms. Sometimes an increased contrast between text and background, or a darker look overall, suits viewing habits, but light themes are often preferred for easier reading and less eye strain. Move between themes at any time by returning to the WhatsApp settings theme options. Tapping Light, Dark, or System Default will update the theme to your selected choice. Third-party WhatsApp themes or other add-ons introduce extra applications with security risks rather than using the built-in options. For enabling or disabling dark mode, the WhatsApp settings themselves offer an easy solution with no additional complications or vulnerabilities. In summary, to enable WhatsApp dark mode, open WhatsApp, Settings, Chats, Theme, and select Dark. The interface will then update to the dark theme with a black background. Return to theme options again in the future to switch between light and dark. Let me know if any other WhatsApp options or features on using your Android device need clarification. I can provide guidance for securely using WhatsApp and all tools effectively. Thank you for watching. I hope this information was helpful. Have a wonderful day. Please feel free to message us via comments, email, or direct message with any other topics or concerns. We cover everything related to Android, social media, productivity, and more.